Our bucket wheel stacker reclaimer is large. Continuous handling equipment for bulk material yards. It can automatically complete stacking and reclaiming of coal, ore, gravel, and other bulk materials. The rotating bucket wheel efficiently digs materials on stockpiles. With stable traveling, laughing, and slewing functions. It covers a wide working range. Adopts mature transmission system, reliable operation, and low maintenance cost. Automated control reduces manual labor and improves yield management efficiency. Material characteristics and capacity demands. Customized design is available according to site layout. Widely applied in thermal power plants, ports, mines, and cement industry. Contact us for technical drawings, parameters, and factory quotations. Compact structure and good adaptability to various outdoor stockyard conditions. Precise material conveying helps enterprises realize orderly stock management.